Okay. So we're going to wash my fidgets. But yes, I'm gonna have to sort them. See you back when they're sorted. Okay, so I got all the ones that need to be sorted. Monkey noodles, poppets, stress balls. Yes, that DNA ball is deflated. And then mochis. So I'm going to be washing the mochis first. I need a container. I'm pretty sure I have one. Let's go looking. Okay, I don't have a container, but I do have this cup. That will work. And my mochis are really dirty. Let's go. Yeah, we're going to be making multiple trips. Close the door. Okay, let's do it. First, gotta plug the drain. Warmish, coldish water. We can fill up a little bit. Add some soaps. That's good. Now we need towel. So, down. We're going to be using the same towel because, okay, so we got a giant red towel. Put it here. It's time to dump them. I didn't catch if that was cool, but I don't think it was, so. Can you see them? Yeah, you can. Ew, they're so dirty. You need more soap. Ew, I keep pulling out hairs from them. Okay, I'm gonna let them soak for about like 2 minutes. Oh, that was funny. Take all the hairs I see on them. Dry my hands. See all that? That's all the hair that came off these. Okay, I think we're good. We're gonna have to dry them off, so I'll do that. Okay, so right now I'm drying them. You can't see because you're over there. So we're gonna dry them. I know I'm doing it the wrong way, but I'm keeping them in the cup and like rubbing them in there. Drain that. So now we take these back to my room with the towel. And then we can go get our other fidgets. So let's do that. Alright, let the light on. Okay. One done. Should we do poppets? Should we? I don't know where to put the puppet. I guess we'll just put them in a box. I'm gonna just sort the ones that are dirty, so catch you then. Okay, so I just decided to get them all. I had nowhere else to place them. Okay? Now time to put the stand that we kind of need that. See it, right? Okay. So we're gonna put warm water. That's hot. That should be good. Now, I'm gonna add the soap in later. First, monkey noodles and stress balls. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. I know I'm adding a lot, but these are really dirty, so. Oh, that water's warm. The textured ones are pretty hard to clean. Good, I brought the towel. And the soap that I'm using is antibacterial soap to keep it clean. Okay, now I get the towel. Yes, it's the same one. I'm reusing him. Grab them all. Place them there. Grab these. Place them there. Dry off my hands. Now time for the poppets. Okay. Had to refill it. Oh my gosh. Keep it clean. This is fun. I'm going to use some different soap. And I heard if you wash your poppets, makes them louder. But this one, the blue one's always been loud, so let's see. They might have to dry for 2 days. Who knows? Oh, did make it louder. I'm gonna drain it and add clean water. Wait, crap. I need a new towel. This one's good. So after I put the towels there, then I'm gonna place them there and wrap them up. Okay, flower poppet, number 1. Diamond poppet, number 2. I almost fell. Poppet bracelet, number 3. Dry my hands. All my square poppets. So freeze my poppet, and that's gonna be my second video today. Just grab half of them. Shake them a little. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, we got these done. Now I'm gonna bring these to my room, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, they're wet. That's all for today's video. Well, this video, bye!